Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today might be a little short. It may not even be a video. I have no idea. I wasn't really planning on getting out this morning. There's supposed to be thunderstorms in just a few hours, but with the dropping pressure and the warm air temperature, I just had to get out, even if it's for a little bit. So I'm hoping we'll be able to get on a couple of big fish. I have no idea what's actually going to happen. I haven't been out here in probably a week or two. Sorry about the wind. It is going to be windy. I think it's blowing like 10 to 15 right now, and it's supposed to get up into the 20s. So we'll see what happens today. I'm pretty excited. Feeling good about it. At least it's warm. The air temp is like 70. Water temp 53 right here. But we're going to do some jumping around and hopefully run into a couple big pre-spawn fish. Let's go. What do we want to throw? Hey, that looks good. Quick color change on the old Texas rig. Glide bait, jig, swim jig, Texas rig, coffee. All right, first fish of the day. Not bad, not bad. A little Texas rig fish. Probably 2.5, 2 3/4. Not bad. See you. Awesome. Been jumping around for like the last 30 minutes, just fishing different rows of cypress trees. I fished a little bit of grass too. Nothing through the grass, but I feel like the cypress trees are going to be holding them today. Texas rig, 1/2 ounce pegged with the black pocket crawl. Love it. Oh, by the way, my boy Matt from Trick Tins, who built this boat, has been posting videos every 2 days, so make sure you click the link down in the description below. Go check out what Matty's been up to. He's killing it. We're gonna try to keep rushing around and catch some more fish before this thunderstorm comes. Whoa, look at that. Did you guys see that? It's a deer skull. That's wild. Just his head. That's crazy. I've never seen that before. He's kind of fresh. Sorry, bud. Don't see that every day. Been a little slow since I caught the fish. No other bites yet. That rain is definitely coming. I can feel it. Oh. Quick switch with the spinnerbait. That one ate quick. Row number 2. Nice. So I was being stubborn and I wouldn't put a spinnerbait on. I was throwing that swim jig around quite a bit, flipping the Texas rig. I kept thinking to myself, man, this is like perfect spinnerbait weather. tied it on, maybe 5-10 casts. That fish just chomped her down. This is a white war eagle spinnerbait, silver and gold blade with a saucy swimmer on the back. Got these clouds and wind, just feels perfect for spinnerbait. I feel like this happens quite a bit where I'll be thinking about a bait and then finally tie it on, catch a fish pretty quick, and then I'll keep fishing it, nothing. Does that ever happen to you guys? Let me know. God, this feels like big fish weather. Sweet, moved off the bank a little bit. Fishing off the shore on a point. It's not that big, probably 1.75 pounds, 2 pounds, but ooh, right where he was supposed to be. Oh no, no! This is the first fish I've gotten to bite in the grass at all. It is slightly warmer in here. It's really hard fishing that spinnerbait through that snotty grass. I mean, anything is terrible in that snotty grass, but I think the swim jig works a little bit easier. I'm gonna try this a little bit. So we've got 3 fish. Had 2 other fish pinned, or maybe just 1 more. Been a bit slower than I was expecting it to be, but the water's still cold. It's only 55. I was just really hoping that this front coming through would have fired him up. Not yet. Besides that fish I just missed off the grass has been off of cypress trees. So I went off of that for a while and fished a bunch of cypress trees and moved really quick, throwing a jig, Texas rig, spinnerbait. Oh my God, I just got clobbered off the backside of this point. How did you not have that? What the heck? Oh God. Yes, that fish was way up in the grass. Picked up the crawl. That's the biggest one of the day so far. Yeah, he's over 3, solid. Another one on the crawl there. I mean, that fish was deep in the grass. All right, maybe they're in the grass in here. Honestly, that fish was 10 feet to the left by the time I started reeling down to this bait. God, so cool. Please tell me there's more in there. Hi, baby. No, why? Oh, okay. That's fine. I don't see no tornado. Okay. I'm gonna get off here in a second. Okay. I'm gonna keep an eye on the weather. Are you sure that it's a warning or watch? Damn. Okay. All right, a couple more casts and I'm out of here. Bye. Girlfriend just called me and said there's a tornado warning. So I have to go home. I told her in a couple casts. Holy moly. That probably would have hurt if it hit me. That's Priscilla throwing things at me, telling me to leave. All right. Tornado's making me get off the water. See you guys at the band. There was a funnel spotted not too far from where I was fishing, but again, never touched. But I made it home, and then maybe 30 minutes after I got back, sunny. The fishing seemed to have picked up right there at the end of the day. I wish I could have stayed and fished through it, but is what it is. And I've been doing a ton of fishing since this video came out. We've got a couple tournaments coming your way this week, and the wiring for the Gambler. So very excited about that. The Gambler is really coming together. I'm stoked. Just got finished working on it today, but that's where we're gonna leave this one off. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.